Here's how to make money with affiliate marketing. So most creators use Amazon Associates or an affiliate network like ShopMy or LTK, but sometimes companies don't use either of those options and they choose to have their own affiliate program. And to see if a company has their own affiliate program, you would just scroll to the bottom of their homepage, and if they have one, it'll say something like affiliates or become an affiliate, and then you would click on that and then join their program. A few company-run affiliate programs that I've joined are 17th Avenue, which is the theme that I use for my blog. Then another one that I've joined is Big Scoots, which is the host that I use for my blog. And another one is ClickUp, which is the digital planner that I use every day. So pretty much anytime you're talking about a product or a service, you'll first want to check to see if it's sold on Amazon. And then if it's not sold on Amazon, then you should check to see if it's sold through an affiliate network like LTK. And then if it's not available through either of those, then chances are the company has its own affiliate program, which they usually show on the bottom of their homepage. And that's how to make money with affiliate marketing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And for all of the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.